Hi, welcome back. I'm glad you're here on time. Let's get started now. I don't want to waste each other's time, and what I have to say is important today. So here we are looking at the charts. Again, this is the same chart, the same day. I'm going to mention one concept to you. You'll see right down here in TradingView. You can have extended trading hours or you can have regular trading hours. And those are important because after the market closes, there's still trading activity going on to a certain time and then it stops. That's where the chart stops plotting unless you have it set to the correct mode. So when you start to see a price range set up, lower lows, higher highs, it's important to understand the time of the day that you're trading because if you're in a regular trading hours, price would stop printing. So you would need to be in electronic trading hours. And the broker I use, I have to stop trading at Pacific Standard Time at 1:10 or 1:15, and he closes all the books, takes his commissions, and it takes him a few hours to do that. But in a couple of more hours after that, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the market reopens. But I'll still be in electronic trading hours. Now, in the previous videos in this consistency series, I talked to you guys about the order flow. I brought to your attention the order blocks. The assignment for you this week is really simple. We talked about the order block, we talked about the range. This video, I want you to practice identifying the order blocks, candles, and the reversal candles. Some call it 3 bar reversal candles. So in this area, this video, we're going to identify 3 bar reversal candles once again. And remember, and this is also important, so pay attention. They have different forms. That's to say, a 3 bar reversal candle has different forms. And it depends on the time frame it was formed. Okay? Now, we're on a 1 minute chart. If you look over here to the top left, that's the 1 minute chart. Let me make this a little bigger so we all can see better. And this is the area. Let me just get rid of this. And, well, let me do it this way. I'm going to highlight a new area and change the color to blue. This right here is a 3 bar reversal pattern. That's what it looks like on the 1 minute chart. So your homework assignment is to go through your charts and start to identify a 3 candle pattern, something like this. Let me go to the second 2 minute chart. It also looks like, let's blow this up. I'm going to get rid of this for clarity, you guys. Delete that. It also looks like this. It has different looks. On the 2 minute chart, it only looks like 2 candles. But guess what it looks like on a 3 minute chart? It looks like a bullish engulfing on a 3 minute chart. So you're going to have to learn different looks of a 3 bar reversal because sometimes it comes in a form of a bearish or bullish engulfing pattern. Those are some of the signatures that happen every single day. Remember, the price does 3 things every single day. It goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways. But the candles are something that you should learn as well because this type of candle right here is an early early warning sign of price changing momentum. The fair value gaps changed. Here would be there and it never reclaimed it. It never came back. It moved too fast. We had a fair value gap right here. But if you're on a higher time frame and you try to use the fair value gap strategy and it doesn't form right away, or it moved too quick and you didn't identify it, that's where a lot of confusion is for a lot of traders. So one way to get some more clarity, that is to say a better understanding, is to learn how to identify the different forms of a reversal candles. On the 1 minute chart, it's 3 bars. The higher time frame you go, the candle pattern is going to look different. So your homework to become a consistent trader is to start to learn and identify different reversal candle patterns. Got it? Well, I thank you for your time. I want you to do your homework. Stay tuned for my other videos. Please like and subscribe. And if you don't study to show yourself approved, you'll keep making the same mistakes. I don't want you to lose any money. I want you to get in the entries at the proper time. I want you to set your targets at the proper locations. And we talked about that before in the other video. So we talked about price ranges, right? We talked about range in price, order flow, range in price. You're going to hear a lot of different names out there. We talked about that. We talked about highs. This is a swing high. It's also a 3-bar reversal. We talked about consolidation. No, I didn't talk about consolidation. So let me bring that up here now. Yeah, we did. This was an area of consolidation we did talk about. So we talked about consolidation. And most importantly, a lot of traders enter too early or they enter too late. Good entries come from patience, structure, and confirming with a fair value gap if you identify it on time. I have other videos on fair value gaps. The one that's really most important is the first fair value gap that presented itself after it takes out liquidity. That's typically the best one to take. You always want to target using your Fibonacci tool, the 50% to 618, or a little lower. For more consistency, target 1 to 2, or that is your 50% or 618. That's a more probable trade setup. And besides, it lets you step away from your computer. Remember, there's liquidity taken at the top where they see these reversal bars. Once that liquidity is taken out, 97% of the time the price is going to reverse. We talked about your take profit areas, so you know where to take profit. We talked about the levels, the higher, the low levels, right? That's in the range. Now you have a system that you can use and you can remove your emotions. You just have to be patient and let price set up. It will show you, but you have to be able to identify the swing areas at the key levels. That's it for now. Please watch my videos and continue to like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, please reach out to me and we'll watch for my other videos. Until next time, have a good week. Top Down Traders out.